To fix the Uber Eats payment method declined issue, follow these steps. First, check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to complete the transaction. If your account balance is low, add money to your account or use a different payment method. Next, verify your payment method information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all details are accurate and up to date. If you have recently moved or changed your name, update your payment method information accordingly. Check if your payment method has expired or been canceled. If your card has expired, update the expiration date in your Uber Eats account. If your card has been canceled, add a new payment method to your account. Another possible reason for the decline is that your bank or card issuer is blocking the transaction. Contact your bank or card issuer to see if they are blocking the transaction and ask them to allow future transactions from Uber Eats. You can also try removing and re-adding your payment method to your Uber Eats account. This can sometimes resolve the issue by updating the payment method information. To do this, go to the payment section of your Uber Eats account, remove the declined payment method, and then re-add it. Additionally, check if there are any restrictions on your account, such as a temporary hold or a requirement for additional verification. If you see any restrictions, follow the prompts to resolve the issue. If none of these steps work, contact Uber Eats support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more specific guidance to resolve the payment method declined error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Uber Eats payment method declined issue and complete your transaction successfully. Remember to always keep your payment method information up to date and contact your bank or card issuer if you have any issues with transactions being blocked.